Hello everyone, in this video I will be telling you about Flash Fill in Excel. Flash Fill is a tool that analyzes the information that you are entering and it automatically fills the data when it senses a pattern. For example, you can use Flash Fill to extract only numbers, to separate first and last names from a single column, to reformat the numbers, to change the case. Also, you can combine data from several cells. So many other functions can be performed with this feature. And one thing that Flash Fill only works when it senses a pattern. Let's see how we can use this tool to simplify our task. So here this is our data, our source data. So we will insert a new column adjacent to the column having our source data. So here we can see full names. What we want is to separate just first names. Here we will enter only first name and we have given a pattern that we only want first names from our source data. And now go to Data tab and click on Flash Fill. So now you can see that we have got only first names from our source data. And same you can do with last names. So you can find Flash Fill option in Data tab. And keyboard shortcut for Flash Fill is Ctrl E. Now here you can see few addresses. You only want to extract zip codes from this data. So we will give it a pattern and press Ctrl E. And you can see only numbers are extracted from this data. Let's understand this with one more example. Now from this data, you want to combine these three columns into one. We want street name, city name and country name in one column. So let's give it a pattern. So this is what we want and press Ctrl E. And you can see data from three different cells are combined into one. So this was all about this Flash Fill tool in Excel. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.